Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And how are you guys doing? Do let me know in the comments down below. तो कुछ दिन पहले मैं और मॉम एक्चुअली मॉम बहुत दिनों से बोल रही थी कि हमें हमारे फ़िश टैंक में और फिशेस लाने हैं. तो कुछ दिन पहले मैं और मॉम वी डिड हेड आउट टू गो टू गेट सम न्यू फिश एंड आई एम गोना शेयर दैट एक्सपीरियंस विथ यू गाइज. लेट्स गो एंड सी where we got our new fishes from. And actually we got the whole setup of the fish tank from the same shop which was located somewhere else before, and now it is somewhere else. So I'm going to share with you the location also कि अगर आप तलेगांव में रह रहे हो या पास ही में कहीं रह रहे हो तो you can get if you want you can get some new fishes or a fish tank setup for your home from this place if you want. Okay, so let's get into the vlog. Yes guys, so this is the shop. It is called as Fish World Aquarium. So they have mentioned their numbers here if you want to call them, so you can definitely. They also have some birds. Now my preference is not to keep any birds in the cages, so we were not there for them. We were here to get some new tiny fishes for our fish tank. So coming to the shop is located at Shivaji Chowk in Talegaon, Dabhade. If you know the location of Domino's, this shop is located just in the lane opposite of in the front of Domino's. So you just have to walk a few steps to get to the shop. मतलब डोमिनोज़ के जो सामने वाली गली है वहीं से अगर आप सीधा चलोगे थोड़ा सा आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ये शॉप मिल जाएगी. So they have a ton of varieties in this small little shop, as you can see in the video. Also they have the filters, the oxygen, the decorative items that you can keep in your fish tank, and etc. Obviously I think all the shops which do sell fishes have all these things, but it's just an information if you guys wanted to know. Now coming to what we got, I wish we could have got these beautiful colorful fishes, but the more colorful or the most cuter fishes you go to get, it's a bit difficult to maintain and take care of it. As per me, I don't have much knowledge about fishes and how to maintain a fish tank and all. Everything in our house is done by my dad and he takes care of the fishes, and my mom also helps him, but I do like them. It's not so we did take these fishes, okay, the black ones, and obviously the most common ones as well, the golden fish. We took those, and the black ones, I don't know the name of the black ones, so if you want to tell me in the comments down below, you can please enlighten me. So here is the person giving us the fishes we got, and I get scared when they do this actually, but this is the way that we can have these fishes. So yes. Oh, this is such a cute fish. Oh my god, loved it. It's like I am watching my own recorded footage and reviewing it, because these fishes are really damn cute. So here we got these fishes, 4 fishes, and also we did get the food for the fishes, this brand. So yeah, that was it what we bought, and it was time for us to go home. You can see this cute little birdies. They're very cute, but somehow I feel they shouldn't be in the cage, but they're still very cute. Very cute. तो गाइज हमने यहाँ से फ़िश ले लिए हैं एंड जैसे कि आपने देखा ही होगा ऑब्वियसली, और हम ये लेके घर पहुँचे एंड ये पारस उस वक्त सो रहा था, तो लकीली मानस was awake and his reaction was really hilarious to this, so you got to watch this and you're gonna love it. ए बघ, ये पकड़ पकड़ पकड़,
छान छान आले वा, छान छान बघ 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 बघ. छान
पकड.
तू पण पकड. फिश आणले, हात लाव, आपण दोघं लावा. अरे वा, फिशी आणले. तू बोल फिश बोल. कसे आहे? छान आहे. किती आहे? नाही. केवढे? हो, छान छान आहे.
घेतलं तसं. अरे बापरे बापरे बापरे, केवढे आहेत ना. केवढे आहेत फिश. हा चल आता टाकायचं. हो,
छोटं फिश आहे.
अरे वा वा. कुठे फिश?
फिश बघ ना.
हात नाही घालायचा.
नाही नाही नाही, त्यात हात नाही असं ना. हा ना.
भारी फ्लाय.
बस खाली खाली बस.
हा बघ कसला पळतोय. तुरु तुरु.
हा मावचा फिश तर कसलं भारी.
काय झालं?
काव नाही ना इथं.
फिश आहे.
हा
फिश
फिश.
फिश. हा
ये चावले चावले चावले
चावले.
चावलं.
कोणी चावलं?
ये पाडी बाडी बाडी चालू ये भाजी झाली.
दिसले सो ना. हे बघ दोन. हे बघ
ब्लॅक
4 न्यू फिश. 4. So guys, that was it for the video. Do tell me in the comments down below आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. और I just wanted to share this video with you because I thought it is cute. And yeah, so do like and share this video guys if you feel it, and also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon as well so you get notified every time I upload. So yeah, till then, do enjoy your life, stay happy, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.